Let's go, Roseburg.
Good job, John. You got this.
Woo! Way to go, man. Way to go. Yes, yes. Here we go, Roseburg. See how fast they are? They're real fast. Woo!
He's right behind you.
Well, they're fast, aren't they? Watch your legs, Eddie. Eddie. Get your legs up close so they don't hit your legs. Go, Roseburg.
Come on, Aaron! Woo! Keep it up! You got this, Aaron. You got lots of room. Just keep it strong. The blue guy's sprinting.
Yeah, Bird.
Keep it up. Come on, Dale. You got this. Don't let him pass you. Keep it up. You're almost there.
Put your legs in. Put your legs in. Put your legs in, Haley. I don't want to run into your legs. Put your legs in. Put your legs closer.
16, 15! 53, come on, Dad!
Boy, that almost hit me.
Yeah, put your legs in it closer. You're going to hurt these guys. Yeah, put your legs sit up close. Put your legs in her. Quick, quick.
I can hurt them.
Yeah, if they run into you, they'll hurt you too.
Would they stop?
They'll fall over and hurt themselves.
Would it be my fault?
Yeah, it would be your fault. You're sitting there.
I'm not
Go,
supposed
Roseburg.
to sit here. I forgot.
Stop that. It's being recorded right now. You say good things. Get up, stop it. Stop it, Haley. They're trying to get these people taped. Stop it. Look, 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 look. Watch out. They're going to hit you. Let's go, Roseburg. Let's go, Roseburg. Stop it, Haley. Go, Roseburg. Ah! I'm going to wait for you. Go. You're first. Look at you. First place. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Back down to the ground.
Oh, Dad, my old doctor.
David, keep moving.
Dad, my old doctor.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's all right. It's okay. It's all right. Don't worry.
Dad, do you see her? Dad, do you see her?
Yeah?
Do you see her?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, she sees you. Yeah.
Stay in your order, guys.
He's throwing at
Don't look at him. Don't. Just leave him alone.
Go, Keaton! Come on, man. Kick him down.
Woo!
Good job.
Hi, Stephanie.
Right through here, bud.
I recognize you.
Keep moving.
Hi, girls.
Just shoot that. Stay up and keep moving. Good job. Keep moving.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on, Roseburg.
Keep moving. Stay in order. Keep moving. Good job.
All right, guys. Way to go, guys.
Stay in order. Keep moving.
Yeah. Oop.
That's his son.
Oh, he took first place?
Keep moving.
He
Stay in
won.
order.
He won the race.
Good job.
Sit though.
Good job. Keep on moving. Stay in position. Good job. Good job. Keep moving. Stay in position. Good job. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Stay in position. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Good job.
Good go, guys. Way to go, guys. Good job, guys.
Good job. Keep moving.
But he feels
Yeah,
like
he
he's
feels
not
big
good.
time. He's just good.
Keep moving. Keep moving. Good job. Right to the shoot. No gas in that tank, Billy. Good job.
All right. Way to go, guys. Way to go.
Good job. We'll take care of you right down there.
That's not my doctor anymore.
Yeah, that's just fun. What his son or brother?
Keep coming right through here.
But Dad,
Huh?
she's not my
Stay in position right here. Hold your position.
That's
right
okay.
through.
Yeah, she
Keep
was
moving.
for a long time.
Keep on moving through.
She was for a long time.
Is she my baby doctor? Is she the main one?
Well, she takes care of babies. You're not a baby like that.
Is she the main one?
Good job, guys.
No, she didn't want to kill me and harm me.
You're not a baby.
I'm not a baby.
Yeah. There we go, guys. Way to go.
And then there's Stephanie, she has the same doctor as me.
Yeah.
Black, blue. Hold your position right through here. Keep
She
moving.
has
Keep
the
moving.
same doctor.
Keep going, guys. Good job, guys. Way to go. All right. Way to run.
Where'd you put her hair?
Yeah, she looked different, huh?
Can we go now?
Good job. Keep moving.
Yep,
Keep moving
good
through the
smart.
shoot.
Tough race.
Good job.
Way to go, guys. Way to go.
Through the shoot.
Good running. All right.
He doesn't feel good.
Yeah, he's throwing up big time, huh?
Hey, you know him.
Keep moving. Keep moving.
Woohoo!
Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Good job. Good. Hold your position. Good job. Good
There's a
job.
All right.
Good job. Keep moving. Hold
that
your
guy has
position.
a bad
Good
heart.
job. Hold your position there.
Those are just tired, man. Those are just tired. That was a long race. Good job, guys. Good job.
Why can't they
Yeah, they'll take you sticking right down there.
Go, guys, go. Look at them run. Look at them run hard. Look at them run hard. Yeah. Way to come in at the end.
Good job. Keep moving. Keep moving, guys. Party's up here. Good job.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Hold your position.
Way to go.
Good job. Keep moving.
All right. Good job, guys.
Good job. Keep moving.
Good job, guys.
My goal is to beat you. Good target not to lose.
Good job. Good
Keep
job.
moving. Hold your position. Good job.
Woohoo!
you know mine?
Don't do it, man. Here goes Sutherland. Here goes Sutherland.
Good job. Good job.
job,
Almost
good job.
done.
Good run. Good run. All right. Good run, Haley. Good run. Here, Haley.
That goes from Alice too.
Good run. Good run. Good run, Haley. Give me a run. Give me a run. Give me a good run, Haley. Good run. Yay, Haley. What's the deal? You can get a rock. Good sprint. All right. Way to go.
Good job.
Way to go, guys. Good run at the end. Good run at the end.
Good
Woohoo!
job. Keep on moving through. Good job.
All right. Yeah, she put her name on it back. She put her name on it.
Good job. Keep on
All
moving
right, Sutherland. All right, way to go.
Nick, when you're in 6th grade, maybe you can do this.
All right. Here comes Grant's pass. Grant's pass. All right, okay, we're done. Let's go.